Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Coursiv.io. Coursiv is an educational platform built for anyone wanting to upgrade their skills in the world of AI and digital work, no matter their age or experience. With over 790,000 users, it's clear that many are turning to Coursiv to get practical, income-boosting knowledge in bite-sized 15-minute lessons. The app stands out by offering flexible learning formats, from audio lessons to hands-on step-by-step guides and interactive courses, all accessible on both iOS and Android. The personalized learning path is a big plus, helping each user focus on goals that matter, whether that's AI-powered productivity, content creation, affiliate marketing, or growing an online business. Coursiv's greatest strength is its focus on practical, actionable skills. Lessons are immediately relevant, giving learners the tools to automate workflows, create high-quality content, and unlock new income streams, all skills that answer the growing demand for digital and AI literacy in today's job market. Earning certificates on completion adds real value, letting users showcase their new expertise for career moves or personal branding. However, while the lessons are quick and accessible, some users may find that progress depends on self-motivation, and results can vary based on how much effort is put in. There's a lot to cover, so commitment is key. In summary, Coursiv is a solid choice for those seeking affordable, mobile-friendly AI education with real-world impact, but it requires active engagement to see the best results. And as with any subscription service, be sure to manage or cancel the subscription as needed to avoid unwanted charges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.